At work, everything is fast-paced. I leave during rush hour traffic, and it feels good to just actually slow down for the day. I find it very therapeutic taking care of my plants. It's kind of like me time, just to notice that they grew an inch. It just makes me feel good. I feel that same way when I see my kids. I've been living here in Chattanooga my whole life. Chattanooga's home. I know a lot of the people. They know me. We had a guy come to my high school. He said, whatever you do in life, be the best at it. Whether you're a dishwasher or a doctor, just always strive to be the best at your job. I work hard because I don't want to let my teammates down, the families that we sell the vehicles to down, and most of all, I don't want to let myself down. I like older things. I believe people took more pride in it back then, putting stuff together. I'm trying to bring a little of the old craftsmanship that I love to Volkswagen. People that drive Volkswagens may not know who I am, but I feel like my name is on that car, and I'm proud of that.